Tired of your Wix website looking clunky on mobile? Let's fix that with a sleek, user-friendly mobile menu in under 2 minutes. First, switch to mobile view in your Wix editor by clicking the mobile icon at the top of your screen, usually to the left. Now, find the mobile menu icon. It often looks like 3 horizontal lines, or the word menu itself on the mobile editor, and click on it. When you click the mobile menu icon, the menu panel will pop up. Select Manage Menu to start customizing your mobile navigation. In the menu panel, you can add, delete, and rearrange menu items. Click Add Item to link to a new page, anchor, or external website. To reorder your menu items, simply drag and drop them into your preferred sequence. This ensures visitors find what they need easily. Click the Design tab within the menu panel and modify the font style, color scheme, and background to better align with your established brand identity. Finally, preview your mobile site to ensure your new menu works perfectly. A clean and simple menu will drastically improve user experience on mobile devices.